So this video will show one of the latest features in Leica Infinity for the version that was released in March 2020, which is the capacity to export to a Leica LGS file format for point cloud speed optimization. So one of the benefits of Infinity is that we can process data from different sources into this package, including sensors that can produce a point cloud. In this case, I'm combining a data set that has both point cloud generated in Infinity from a drone, which I'm turning on and off, and also everything else is from the multi-station, the MS-60. And clearly I have some as well top post survey work and line work, which was generated within Infinity as well. I've exported that as a CAD file previously, and now I will export the LGS. And it's as simple as saving it as an LGS file. I have a file over there where I'll overwrite it. Always useful if you're not sure of the path where you saved it, you can find it this way. And two things about the LGS file: if you want to take it and run away with it somewhere else, you can copy the file onto a USB folder and use our LGS stream viewer, copy it onto the USB drive, and you have access to the full information on the viewer that enables you to do fly-throughs, videos, screenshots, measurements, and so on and so on. So nice, easy way, simple way to share information. Alternatively, if you want to carry on doing some work, so in BricsCAD, I'm opening my LGS file. Again, it loads up almost instantly. And from here, I could proceed on doing my elevations, line work, sections, whatever it might be. Okay, hope this is good. Have a nice day.